Hey, my name's Dev, and I'm a clothing line owner here in California. I was recently searching online for a company that can do PVC rubber patches, and I stumbled across DOI label out in China. These guys do a large amount of things for you, and PVC patches was one that I was looking for, and they look like on their website they did them very well. So I followed through with them, contacted them, sent them over my artwork in a Illustrator file. They did a great job of making their critique on that and getting that back to me, and creating these labels super fast and efficient with an extreme level of quality. You know, I did 100 of these in 4 different colors, and they did great. These are real durable, and they look amazing. No bleeding from color to color. They look great. The rise and depth on them feel amazing. These are actually the sew-on applications, so they put a channel around the design so you can sew it onto your garment, but they also offer, I believe, adhesive and Velcro. You can check their website out for sure. But these, I gotta say, I am extremely satisfied with these. The colors look great. This black and gold is amazing. You know, this red and white, they're great. I would say that, you know, if you're looking to get PVC rubber patches made or any application of patches, definitely check out their website. You can also find them on YouTube for short videos of some of the things they do. It was a great experience. Like I said, I ordered a lot. I will be doing business with them in the future. And if you're looking for a great company to provide great quality, efficient time, like I said, I live here in the US, way on the West Coast. They're out in China, and these came extremely fast, a lot faster than I thought. I was thinking like 3 to 5 weeks, and we're talking more like 10 to 15 days that they arrived at my doorstep. So, like I was saying, if you're looking for a company, check them out. It's DOI label. They're great. And I want to thank you guys for doing a great job.